James, Doctor of Physical Therapy. So I am a physical therapist and I am here today to teach you how to make your own peanut. I decided to do this video because after my video on thoracic extension, there was a lot of feedback on people wanting to make their own peanut, and so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to make one. It's super easy. So all you need is 2 tennis balls and some self-adhering tape. You can get this tape anywhere that sells like taping and bracing. I think I got this one from Walgreens or CVS, something like that. But just some kind of compression self-adhering tape. And if you want to know how to use the peanut a little bit more, then I'd refer you back to that video. It's called Thoracic Extension. It's on my page. My page is called At Home with Dr. Lauren James. And so you could look at that video and learn a little bit more of how to use this peanut. But it's really good to release trigger points in your neck and spine area. And so you could use it at the back of your head, or you can even put it behind your back and roll up and down on a wall or on the floor and release some trigger points along those muscles of your spine. Helps relieve different things like headaches and neck pain and upper back pain and lower back pain. It's kind of depending on what your condition is. It may or may not be appropriate. So what you're going to do is take 2 tennis balls, and what I do is I just start with just wrapping that tape around one of them. So just kind of wrap it around in a circle, and then grab that other one and then wrap the tape around it. And then what I do is I just start going in a figure 8 fashion. So you see how I just kind of crisscross that and pulled it around. Come up, come up to the other side. Crisscross it, pull it around. And then what you do is you just keep going and just kind of look at your tennis ball, give it a good squeeze in different areas so it doesn't get too loose. And just try to overlap to where you're starting to not see any green on your tennis ball anymore. Really, all this is doing is keeping it together so that you have that shape. So it doesn't have to be anything specific. Of course, you can try to make it pretty without wrinkles. The less wrinkles, the more comfortable it's going to be to lay on. And so I just keep on wrapping. Things like that, I just go right over top of it, try to smooth it out. You get wrinkles, just kind of fix those wrinkles. Come back around, I still have a space right there, so I'm going to come back around and get that space. I keep going. I mean, if you needed this tape for something else, you could probably stop now because it is fully covered. But since this tape is specifically for this peanut here, I'll just keep on using it until the end of the roll. And the good thing about this tape too is if you're like, oh no, I need some of that for something else, you can just easily unpeel it. So just wrap it around here. And then at the end, just kind of mush it down. Give it a little squeeze all around. Kind of squeeze it in the center. And then there you go. I call it a peanut because it kind of looks like a peanut. This area right here between the 2 tennis balls is where the spinous processes go. And then the tennis balls will hit the muscles on either side of your spine as you roll up and down on this tennis ball. Try it out. Pretty simple. And I hope you enjoy. Take care.